Nan, babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa Angeles City and we are featuring Good Spoon. So this is an unlimited pasta,
Unlimited chicken and pizza.
So if you're interested to those kinds of dishes guys, samahan niyo po kami dito.
So tara, let's go!
Hello po!
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. Welcome to Good Spoon.
Alright, so this is it. This is Good Spoon. The dining area is siguro it can accommodate up until 20 maximum. So that is actually our table and grabe, lahat ng mga makikita nyo sa menu is nilabas nila. So what can I say, talagang bubusugin nila kami ngayon. There you go guys. So as we always say sa vlog natin, the best part is the taste testing. So once again, we'd like to thank Good Spoon for being generous and inviting us.
On our table, so meron tayo dito mga pizza, pasta, and syempre yung mga chickens nila.
So ano yung mga flavors natin dyan?
So, sa mga pizza natin, so meron tayo dito pepperoni, meron tayong Hawaiian, meron tayong double cheese, so meron din tayong pepper beef, and combination.
Now, for the pasta naman guys, so let me mention them. Meron tayong tuna pesto, may bolognese, meatball, carbonara, chicken malunggay. And meron din tayong chicken gochujang. I think that's the parang bestseller nila dito.
For the chicken, we have sriracha, soy garlic, original, sour cream, pineapple teriyaki, buffalo wings, honey lemon, and Korean gochujang.
Yes. I'm gonna go first with their pizza.
Yes. Alright, pizza yung unahin ko.
Kanina nakita ko itong so cheesy na ang ginagawa ko guys. So sobrang cheesy. Oh, look at that.
I'll go for pepperoni.
Huh. Oh, wow.
Kasi ako Hawaiian. All-time favorite. Mainit na ha?
No, sobrang ano niya, cheesy.
In fairness sa pepperoni niya, cheesy din. At the same time, yung mga pepperoni nila, ang lalaki.
So dito sa Good Spoon, what they're trying to allow us to experience is matikman natin lahat.
Yep.
So as much as possible, say for example, when you order a pizza, no? So the next pizza is a different flavor para matikman natin kung ano yung magiging, kumbaga, favorite mo in the near future, di ba?
Titikman ko naman sa kanila yung pasta nila, yung chicken gochujang. Ayan. So, in it, may chicken siya, may peanut. Ayan. So, tikman naman natin.
Alright, so this is their chicken teriyaki, one of the several flavors here. Actually, nakausap ko yung isang customer kanina. Sabi niya, sa Kapampangan, tirande. Ibig sabihin, tinamaan nila. And wala daw hindi masarap according to the customer kanina. So, oh, look at that. Diba? Oh, wow. One thing I appreciate here is as soon as you order, dun pa lang talaga nila lulutuin. So, they make sure as soon as they serve it to you, it's hot. It's right fresh from the kitchen and ma-appreciate mo talaga habang mainit yung pagkain. I don't think you'll be able to taste everything sa isang upuan lang. So make sure to prepare yourself.
Come several times.
Come several times. You know?
At the same time, these are unlimited.
Yes, this is unlimited guys and for only 388 pesos. So a minimum of 2 persons.
Yes.
Yung setup na yun is great in itself for the date, parang mga or mga barkada naman, at least 3 persons, no? So para talagang mas matikman mo yung mga food nila dito. And this is located at Plaza. This is along MacArthur Highway ng La Pieta. Yes. I think this is yung pinakamalapit na landmark dito sa Angeles City.
And they were open from 11 a.m. until 11 p.m.
Monday to Sunday. So very long operational hours for us to enjoy. Come here in the morning, in the lunch, or in the evening.
Pwede.
Pwede. So nga pala guys, kung nag-enjoy ka dun sa mga pagkain dito and you wanna take it out, take it home, take it somewhere else, so available yung mga a la carte nila dito, and yeah, we're gonna flash the menu here. Alright, so there you have it guys. Again, we would like to thank Good Spoon for inviting us. Grabe, sobrang dami nito.
Yeah.
Hindi namin mauubos to. But then again, they are very generous to us. So these are all the products that you can
Order from them.
order. Yeah. Alright, so guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please guys, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're looking for a place for you to have your date, this is a really great place, a good place, and this is Good Spoon. So thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace.
Bye guys.